Welcome to this platform. So in this video, let us answer this question. It's biology time. The topic is growth and development in plants. Here is a question. Figure 3 shows a longitudinal section through a root tip. As you can see the diagram, I guess it's visible to you. Identify the parts labeled G and J. Identify the parts labeled G and J. And I guess you've done growth and development. By now, I guess you know the parts of the parts that are labeled. So let us identify them. So G, as you can see, this part here, that's just root hair cell. That is the part. Then what about J? J is the end part of this, which is called the root cap. All right. Question B, which labeled part in figure 3 is responsible for generating new cells? So which labeled part? So among the parts that are given, we identify the parts that gives or that generate responsible for generating new cells. So it's a part labeled J. Okay, it's the one that is responsible for generating new cells, and that in that particular section, that is where the region of cell division occurs. So you need to know about these regions. So we have region of cell division, vacuolation or elongation, and the region of differentiation. I have a full video just on growth and development right here if you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, and also Facebook. So all these videos or this video is available on these platforms. All right. Region H is responsible for cell differentiation. Region H is responsible for cell differentiation. Apart from the vascular bundles, state two other cell type differentiated by the region H. So vascular bundle make up the xylem, the phloem. Okay. Now they are saying aside from the xylem and the phloem, what other? So we can talk of what we call the parenchyma, collenchyma. So we have the collenchyma, we have the parenchyma, and we have the third one, which is the selencyma. So these are other cells that are differentiated by region H. C2, state two types of cells found in the vascular bundle. So I've already named them, xylem, then phloem. Coming to C3, which named type of cells in C2 allows the movement of substances up and down depending on the needs of the plant? So in the xylem, the function of a xylem is conduction of water and mineral salt, and there's just one direction of movement, that is from the ground to the leaves or to the top part. But for the phloem, there's movement of material up and down depending on um, depending on the needs of the plant. So in other words, here is the phloem. That is where you find the movement of material up and down. Then question D suggests one meristematic structure, not in the diagram, responsible for bringing about secondary growth in dicotyledonous plants. Suggest one meristematic structure, not in the diagram, responsible for bringing about secondary growth in dicotyledonous plants. What is the answer to this question? So please, this question is yours. So question D, answer it. Put it in the comment section so that everyone will be able to learn. So please make sure that you answer this question. All right, we've come to the end of our session. It's just a short one. Just wanted us to answer this question. So very important. Though it's a short one, but also very beneficial. So please, we can end here. And if you are interested to join us for online lessons or physical lessons, you can contact the number 0976 402563. So we are found in Kabwata, just near Kabwata Primary School. That is where we are located in terms of physical location. All right. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are watching this on TikTok, make sure you give it a like. If you're watching this from Facebook, make sure that you follow the page. Otherwise, we can end here and see you in the next one.